Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So you may be wondering why I am on my floor in the corner. Well, some of you may have noticed I was absent last week, and I'm kind of popping in to tell you why, / I'm going to be doing a little bit of a haul, and I'm filming this on my phone at like 8 o'clock at night, so bear with me. So many of you know that I had been looking for bookshelves recently because for some reason IKEA doesn't want to ship them to Vancouver Island. Don't ask me why, ask them. I've sent emails and have not got responses. But anyways, I was blessed and found the bookshelves I wanted off of Facebook Marketplace last week, and I found 4 of them. This lady was selling all 4 for $200, but she was in Duncan, and so my very sweet uncle came and drove me to Duncan at 9 o'clock at night, and we live in Victoria, so it's about an hour's drive. And we drove to Duncan, picked them up, and then came back. I was able to fit 3 in my room, so I will give you guys a little sneak peek of that, and I am so happy. But that is why I was absent last week, because I had to completely 180 my room. I'm so excited. There will be a room tour coming soon, a little cheeky updated room tour. However, right now, the place where I filmed in the corner is an absolute mess, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm dealing with. So as you can see, this is why, you know, we've been a little absent. There's just, we're working on it right now. But here's a little sneak peek of the shelves. Don't mind the sun. Ooh, a little sneaky shelf there. And then if we come over here, ooh, that's a little video coming soon. Sneaky shelves here and a little shelf right there. Ooh, sneaky snuff coming up. Anyways, so that is why I was absent last week. I am gonna be doing a fun little like organize my shelves with me video, and it's just gonna be, I think, maybe voiceovered with some soft music, so that should be fun. I do have some other exciting videos coming soon. I'm hoping that I will have my filming area completed hopefully tomorrow so that I can film, because I have a fun video with INH hair coming up. But I digress. Let's get into this little haul. I'm not gonna have this video be too long. It was just a little pop-in because, you know, it's not the prettiest setup, but whatever, it works. So I went shopping with one of my girlfriends today, and I had so much fun. And I got a few things, and I want to show you. So let's start, shall we? These glasses. They're so pretty. I wanted to get 4, but they only had 3, and so I'm like, well, an odd number would bother me, so I just got 2, and they're like these really pretty iridescent-y purple and blue glasses. They're only hand washed, but they were only like $3 each, and I'm like, that's a pretty good deal. I like Winners. Winners has some pretty good stuff. So I got these really cute glasses. Then of course my girlfriend and I, we went to Claire's. You know, I quit there last year. It has been more than 1 year since I quit Claire's. Wow. Anyways, we went to Claire's, and you know your girl loves scrunchies, so I had to get some scrunchies. So I got this like blue one. It kind of blends in with my shirt, this part, but it kind of reminded me of mermaid, and I don't know, it's like a tri-colored scrunchie, and it's one of the big ones. I thought it was cute. We can match that with something. Same kind of thing, but like pink, yellow, and orange, which is definitely more a color scheme that I would do. I guess it was supposed to be like rainbow, but these are really cute. So, and they're massive, which we like. I saw this scrunchie, which matches like this shirt, which is awesome. So this is really cute. I like this rainbow color scheme. I think it's really cute. We got this sparkly pink one, which I thought was really cute. The camera is not doing it justice. It's definitely more of like almost like a blush bubblegum pink. Is that a thing? I'm trying to describe the color, but it's really cute, and I really like it. And then I got this really pretty like pastel yellow bow scrunchie, which is really adorable. I would have gotten 2, they only had the 1, so here is the 1 scrunchie. Also from Claire's, I did end up getting these really cute iridescent butterfly clips because they're adorable, and more sunglasses because, you know, I only have like, what, 27 pairs of sunglasses. I really need another pair. My dad, when I showed him these, he's like, don't you already have pink ones? And I'm like, yeah, I have pink with pink lenses. These are pink with black lenses, duh. So I got more sunglasses, so yeah. Keeping online with accessories, my friend and I, we went to Spencer's. I don't know if that's like only a Canadian thing or if it's, do you have that in other places? Who knows? But I got a few necklaces. So I got these really cute heart ones. I think, yeah, this is just one necklace, so this is super cute. And because it's got this, I could use this on a belt. Ooh, multi-purpose. But this is really cute. I thought they were adorable. I also got these, which was also like in the necklace section, but could use it on a skirt. Actually, maybe these are for belts. They were in the necklace section, so whatever. But these are really freaking cute, and they're little stars, and they're lavender, and I think that's adorable. So we love that. This is most definitely a necklace. This has got to be a necklace. This, okay, maybe those ones were for other things, but this is 100% a necklace. And this is like some chunky, we got some candies, we got hearts, we got stars, more hearts, butterflies, and then gummy bears down at the bottom. And I think it's so cute. It's very chunky, like edgy cute. I did a big order on a website because I want to try a new aesthetic. As if I don't have so many going on already. Anyways, it's fine, and we're gonna try being edgy, so stay tuned for that. Also, while we were at that store though, I did pick up a t-shirt. And I picked up a My Hero Academia t-shirt. Yes, look at it in all its glory. Can you see the whole picture? Can we see it? Yes, we can. It's so great. I love lounge around the house t-shirts. Many of you probably know that. And this one is massive. The smallest size they had was a large, and I'm like, that's fine. I like to use them as bedtime t-shirts because I like to sleep in just t-shirts. So this was really awesome, and I love it. Next, we headed to EB Games, and I got a My Hero Academia blanket. So, oh my gosh, I just realized that this is what's on the shirt. That's great, because I liked the shirt. So very happy with this blanket. Like an early Christmas present / birthday present to myself. So happy about that. I also got this cute little board, which you will probably be seeing in the back of my videos, just to have my Instagram handle on it, I think. Or maybe it'll say something cute, I don't know. But I got this, and it was pink, so I love pink. We got some new mascara. If I use Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, it is my favorite. And of course, we did get some manga. Keeping on with the My Hero Academia theme, I guess, we got manga. I've been collecting My Hero Academia, the physical copies, more recently. I have volumes 9 and 10 coming in. I'm trying to collect them in order just so that I know where I am. However, for some reason, I did randomly buy volume 19. I think it was because the cover's pink. I like pink. But today we got volume 13, which is really cool. We got 14. Ooh. And we have number 15. So whenever I go to the bookstore, I tend to get the next few 3 when I'm there because they have most of them in stock, so like I could just splurge and get all of them at once, but I like to pace myself. Also, while I was at the bookstore, I got Cutie and the Beast Volume 3. I will probably be talking more about this in my August haul, so I'm just gonna show you the cover because it's really cute. But I can tell you right now, it's very cute, it's very sweet, and it's not what I expected at all, and I'm really enjoying it. What I actually went to the bookstore for, because it was orders that I actually had that I needed to go pick up. I always leave with other things, but that was Perfect World Volume 7. Y'all know that I like this. Y'all know that I've cried. Very emotional. Go watch my first manga haul video. I'm pretty sure I talked about this one. Very excited to read this one. Not excited that I might cry, but excited to read. And we also have Sweat and Soap Volume 8, which I actually haven't started reading yet. I've just been collecting it, but I've seen parts of it online and I've read a little bit of it online, so I know I'm gonna like it, so I've been collecting this series as well. Alright, well, I'm gonna end the video there, so I hope you guys don't mind me just popping in like this. Sometimes, you know, we like to get a little real. But I will have my proper filming backdrop properly set up, and Friday's video will be a collab, so I hope you guys are ready for that. But that is all I have for this video, so I love you guys a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!